Hello guys, this is Naeem Aslam, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade. In our today's segment, I would like to discuss a technical indicator, or let's say a confirmation indicator, which is quite important for traders, especially for those who hold strong views about a particular direction and they want to trade. For instance, if you think that the market is going to go to the upside and then you want to take advantage of that particular move, you wanted to have a specific sort of a confirmation. And I'm not talking about the general the technical analysis confirmation from the RSI, from the MACD, Bollinger Band, and so on and so forth. No. What I'm referring to is quite significant. It's quite important at its core, because what we want to look at is that if we want to trade to the upside, we wanted to have a confirmation if institutions or large fund managers or money managers are really supporting that particular move. Because if they're not, then it is highly likely for that rally to fade away, and then you can be caught on the wrong side of the trade altogether. Certainly, you don't want to face that sort of a scenario. So, in order to do that, one important factor to do it is, which I do tweet on my account all the time, is to look at the fund flow of an exchange traded funds, ETFs. So Vanguard's ETF is enormously big, and it has money managers taking their positions, hedge funds taking their positions, and speculators and institutions and everyone pretty much. So what we want to look at when we look at Vanguard's ETF, or when we look at the SPY, the Spider ETF for S&P 500 index, is whether the money is coming in or whether the money is going out. So if I want to take a trade to the upside, which was pretty much the dominant factor in the week running to the US non-farm payroll, then because the momentum was very strong, economic numbers were very strong, and then markets were moving higher. So then I wanted to have this confirmation whether I am seeing money inflow or whether I'm seeing money outflow. So I looked at it and we produced an article on that. Have a look at it on AvaTrade.com, where was the money flow. So when we looked at the Spider ETF and the Vanguard ETF, we were pretty much clear that the money is pretty much flowing into the market. Hence the rally was very strong, leading to the US non-farm payroll. So here is the tape. So please do keep an eye on the fund flows. Do keep an eye on my Twitter account, which is Naeem Aslam 23, and also on our company's Twitter account, AvaTrade.com. We tweet all these charts, we tweet all this information. This is a premium information which you may not be able to get it that easily, but by following on our accounts, but for listening to these videos, you will keep yourself abreast with all this critical and significantly important information that you really need to have in order to have that confidence level when you are about to click that buy or sell button. That's all for today. Thank you.